Yeah. Right, we're gonna take a left.
Filming?
This is really, we have a 4-hour trip.
Hello, we're all gonna die.
It's true.
Well, technically, you're responsible for that if we die.
We're preparing ourselves for reaching Invergordon in case my sat nav's upside down.
We'll
We'll be in Scotland somewhere.
We're waiting.
Scotland's a nice place, you
We're
never
waiting
know.
for the Jones, and I don't think he's coming.
You never know.
Agreed.
How can we go pick him up?
Probably might be best.
Next then, spend like 3 hours.
We
Excuse
should
me,
just
I need the loo.
Filming coming in with their gun.
What's the best that somebody needs to take a whiz as soon as a lock up? It's gonna be like,
It's
lock
just-
up, alarm,
I know, it's
lock
high.
up.
We have bottles.
We do.
Piss pot.
I don't know about you guys, but I've got a catheter.
Here he is, late as ever.
Late as
Look
ever.
at him with his swagger and his glasses.
Old habits die hard. Do you want some help?
Yeah, it better be. Being late.
You right?
Yeah, man.
Too early for you?
A little bit. Right, thank God you're a light packer. The car's tiny.
Yeah, look, just come in and see how fast our car is.
I'd be surprised if you didn't.
See, this is the state that Mackie's car is in.
What about the food, man?
That's my barbecue. Yeah, this is Pete's
my guest.
room for 2 hours. I've got the front.
Yeah. Just shove it on top of there. I want you looking behind my... Yeah, this is the boot.
Yeah. Oh, good.
Yep.
I get it.
Shotgun's that. Okay, it's recording.
Right here. If we are in dire need of food, we can hunt.
Oh shit.
We can drink the blood of our animals. And also,
Everyone has plates and forks and knives and forks.
yeah, and
I brought plates, no one else did.
I did.
I don't have knives and forks. I don't have knives.
Well,
I
we
can nick some from Andy.
we can just wash up and then do it again.
I'll just nick some.
Wash
I
up.
can just ask some from.
I've got a
Andy
bowl
for his
and
house.
I've got. We'll get washing up liquid,
So you
and
can't
plus we'll
wash
get.
other plates. Surely.
There'll be places there.
Is Andy in his house?
Yeah, it's wrong with Luke.
Oh, okay.
Do you know Andy can front of his
So this, yeah, state of our car again.
Is that
You can turn it off.
Look. Are we ready? Are we ready to leave?
I am. But unfortunately, I'm not driving. So.
You ready to leave?
Yeah. But unfortunately, he's not leading.
Nobody's driving.
Yeah, driving. So
that
guy to be ready
for
to
any
leave,
for any law cases,
Right.
I wasn't drunk.
Farewell, Andy's house.
Bye. I'll see you Sunday.
I hardly knew you.